Need a better video player for your Android phone? We've picked the 5 best apps with powerful features, smooth performance, and support for nearly every video format. Number 5, it's KMPlayer, a feature-packed media player with a 4.1 star rating, over 359,000 reviews, and more than 10 million downloads. KMPlayer supports almost every popular video and audio format, so you won't have to worry about file compatibility. Whether it's MP4, MKV, AVI, FLAC, or more, it plays them smoothly. Watching movies with subtitles, you can easily adjust the subtitle size, color, and position for a better viewing experience. It also lets you change playback speed, create bookmarks, repeat specific scenes, and fine-tune brightness, contrast, and color settings without leaving the app. Need a bigger screen? KMPlayer supports Chromecast, so you can stream videos directly to your TV. It even connects to cloud storage like Dropbox and OneDrive, plus network folders, making it easy to access your media from almost anywhere. If you upgrade to the VIP version, you'll unlock extra tools like GIF creation, MP3 extraction, video trimming, and even torrent streaming while files are downloading. KMPlayer is popular because it combines powerful playback features with a clean interface, making it a great choice for both casual viewers and advanced users. At number 4, it's VLC for Android, rated 4.5 stars with over 1 million reviews and an incredible 100 million downloads. Here's why millions of people keep coming back to it. VLC plays almost every video and audio format you can think of. MP4, MKV, AVI, FLAC, you name it, it just works. No extra codec downloads, no frustrating error messages. But that's only the beginning. Watching a movie with subtitles? VLC makes it super easy. Need to switch audio tracks or adjust screen brightness with a swipe? Done. You can even stream videos from your home network and play files stored on external drives. And here's the best part, it's completely free. No ads interrupting your videos, no premium paywall, and no hidden subscriptions. Just a clean, fast, and reliable media player that focuses on what actually matters. Whether you're watching 4K movies, anime, TV shows, or listening to music, VLC delivers smooth playback with powerful controls that make every viewing experience better. Coming in at number 3 is PLAYit, all-in-one video player. It holds a solid 4.5 star rating backed by 6 million reviews and an incredible 500 million installs. What makes PLAYit stand out? It plays nearly every video and audio format you can think of, from 4K movies to MP3 music, without forcing you to convert files first. Love multitasking? You can shrink your video into a floating window while replying to messages or scrolling social media. Or switch to background play and keep listening even after locking your phone. Another feature users love is the built-in video to audio converter. Turn your favorite videos into music with just one tap. PLAYit also helps keep your media organized by automatically finding videos and songs stored on your device. And if you have private clips, the secure folder adds an extra layer of privacy. Watching movies from different countries? The online subtitle feature makes it easy to find subtitles without leaving the app. It's easy to see why hundreds of millions of Android users rely on PLAYit every day. It combines speed, convenience, and powerful features into one free app. The number 2, we have Visha, video player all formats, rated 4.2 stars with over 2 million reviews and an incredible 1 billion downloads. Visha is much more than a basic video player. It supports almost every popular video and audio format, so you can watch your favorite movies, clips, or downloaded videos without worrying about compatibility. One standout feature is the privacy folder, which lets you lock away personal videos so they're hidden from anyone using your phone. If privacy matters to you, that's a huge bonus. Need more control? You get floating playback, background play, adjustable playback speed, and even support for multiple audio tracks and subtitles, making long videos and foreign films much easier to enjoy. It also includes simple editing tools, so you can quickly trim videos without installing another app. Plus, you can convert videos to MP3, organize your media library, and fine-tune your music with the built-in equalizer. If you enjoy streaming, Visha also offers access to online video content, and premium users can unlock ad-free viewing and HD playback. So if you're looking for a feature-packed media player that goes far beyond basic playback, Visha is definitely worth checking out. Finally, at number 1, it's KMPlayer, one of the most trusted video players on Android. With a 4.3 star rating, more than 13 million reviews, and over 1 billion installs. What makes it stand out? First, it uses advanced hardware acceleration, so videos play more smoothly while using your phone's power efficiently. If you have a multi-core processor, KMPlayer takes advantage of it for even better performance. Watching movies with subtitles? This app is a game changer. It supports a huge range of subtitle formats, and you can easily adjust the timing, move subtitles up or down, or resize them with simple gestures. Need a closer look? Just pinch to zoom, then pan around the video with intuitive touch controls. It's perfect for catching every detail. Parents will also appreciate the Kids Lock feature, which prevents accidental taps or unwanted app switching while children are watching videos. Whether you're streaming, watching downloaded movies, or playing high-resolution videos, KMPlayer delivers a smooth, reliable viewing experience that millions of Android users trust every day. Which video player is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome Android app recommendations.